Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for LLC in Florida, updated. First, choose a unique name and confirm availability with the Florida Division of Corporations. Next, designate a registered agent who accepts legal mail and a Florida street address. Then prepare and file articles of organization online or by mail, pay the $125 state filing fee, create an operating agreement, and obtain an EIN from the IRS to open a business bank account. Filing costs are clear. The Florida state fee is $125, and online filing is usually fastest. Processing often finishes within a few business days, and expedited options are available when time is tight. Keep digital and physical copies of your articles of organization and registered agent acceptance. Obtain an EIN from the IRS to open a bank account and hire contractors or employees, and track expenses for accurate tax reporting and record keeping. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get future updates. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs surprisingly well with business planning and mindset. I love sharing these tips. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks everyone for the support, and now let's get back to the video. After forming your LLC, stay compliant by filing the annual report with Florida and paying the required fee to maintain good standing. Maintain accurate records, minutes, and a current operating agreement to protect limited liability. Understand federal tax classification options like sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation, and consult a tax advisor for state sales, tax registration, licenses, or industry permits specific to your business activities. Keep deadlines and a calendar to avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.